Assalamualaikum student. This is science lecture of 6th class. As we were discussing the topic doing a scientific investigation, and we were doing an investigation which is to find out if sugar dissolves more quickly in hot water than in cold water. And we have learned that there are three main parts of an investigation. One is preparation, second is carrying out an investigation, and third one is reviewing and reporting on the investigation. We have read two steps in previous lecture: preparation and carrying out the investigation. In preparation, we have done hypothesis, which is the expectation that we do from doing an investigation. And in variables, variables are the things that are used in the investigation, and in this investigation four variables are used. First is the amount of sugar, second is the amount of water, third is the temperature of water, and fourth is whether to stir the sugar in the water or not. This was the step of preparation. Next we have done carrying out the investigation. In this step, we have read that we choose right equipment to measure the things accurately, to measure the variables accurately. In this step, we measure the volume of sugar, the volume of water, the water temperature, and the time taken for sugar to dissolve. For this measurement, we use right equipment. And after doing an investigation, we get a result. We put our data in the form of table. This was the table. This table shows that by increasing the temperature of water, the speed of sugar dissolving also increased. Today we are discussing on third step, which is reviewing and reporting on an investigation. This involves writing up what you did and what happened during your investigation, including diagrams of your apparatus. For this investigation, plotting a graph is a good way to show if your reading follow a pattern. Student, in this step, we will make a report on an investigation. We have done all things which in preparation and carrying out in investigation. We make a report on all these steps, and what results we get from these two steps, we will make their reports. And in this investigation we get results and show these results in the form of table. So let's discuss this table. This table is explained in the form of graph. Here is temperature is given, which is from 0 to 100 centigrade, and perpendicular time is given, which is from 0 to 100 seconds. Student, this is the starting temperature. This temperature is 80 centigrade, and at this temperature the speed of sugar dissolving is 20 seconds. Now second step is, at this step the temperature is 51 centigrade and time is 30 seconds. It's mean this graph shows that when temperature of a water increased, the speed of sugar dissolving also increased. So our hypothesis in this case is correct. because our hypothesis is that the sugar dissolves more quickly in hot water than in cold water. And this graph shows that when temperature is very high, means water is hot, the sugar dissolves more quickly. And when water is cold, the sugar dissolves slowly. This is called your conclusion. It is what you found out as a result of your investigation. And that result in the form of graph which we get is called our conclusion of our investigation. And our conclusion is that our hypothesis is right, suggesting how you could improve your investigation to make it more accurate. For example, you could measure the volume of sugar more accurately with a measuring cylinder. It's mean we can improve our investigation when we measure the amount of sugar in right apparatus. And for measuring of sugar amount, we will use measuring cylinder. Suggesting what you could do if you had more time. For example, you may like to find out if you will get the same results with different kinds of sugar. Students, you will try to do an investigation for different kinds of sugar. For example, for white sugar and brown sugar. And check your results whether white sugar dissolves more quickly or brown sugar dissolves more quickly in water. Then make a report on your investigation. So students, this is our investigation in which our hypothesis prove correct. What are the three steps of our investigation? Preparation, in which hypotheses are made and we check our hypothesis. And in second step, we will carry out our investigation and write our conclusion, write our data in the form of tables. And in third step, reviewing and reporting on an investigation. The investigation which we will done in step number 1 and 2, the data which we will get, we make a report on this data. And this data shows in the form of graph, and this graph shows that the sugar dissolves in hot water more quickly than in cold water. This was our today's lecture. I hope you will understand this. Thank you.